So it's now June the 4th. Past month I've just been painting. Yep, copper metallic trims, side panels, kitchen doors, light grey walls, and then a dark grey bathroom and kitchen, and lockers. Just need to get all the doors on, which I've painted all copper metallic. Be quite nice. I haven't finished the doors. I'm going to wrap the backs of them, mainly because I couldn't be bothered, and there's a lot of, I've not got much copper paint left, and I've still got the bathroom door to do. I've got all the plastic surrounds for the windows to clean because some of the masking tape didn't go well. Still wet paint where I've just touched up. But yeah, as you can see, I've cut that down. I'm going to get another length for this to stick there, and then I'll cut that off and make it nice and smooth. And I'm going to do the same here, another length section of it just to stop, because I think the mattress is going to be more or less level, and obviously you don't want the kids rolling out. Just on them two. That one you've got the kitchen unit as a stop, so you're all right there, and then the floor, you're on the floor. But I'm happy with it. I was going to go with a silver metallic trim, but I feel like it would have got lost on the walls, whereas the copper goes quite well with the dark grey, I think. And with the toilet and the kitchen being the main pieces, I quite like it. So the next job is to wrap the doors for the kitchen so I can get them hung. I've been looking at flooring. I'm going to go with either a vinyl stick down tile or LVT tile floor. I'm not too sure which way to go yet, because I'm going to have to do some sort of filler over the main bolts to level it out, otherwise you'll feel it through. There's two there, I think it is, and then another two here. I think that's it. But it's about 4 meters squared, I've worked out roughly. And then whatever, I might just get some cheap lino to put in the lockers, and then in the kitchen floor, just some offcut from somewhere. I also need to order the kitchen worktop, which the worktop is going to be the same as the dinette table, and possibly that ledge there. I'm not sure if I'm going to use something else or whether I can get it off the same sheet, but it's going to be a big 8x4 sheet of pine board, just to match. And then whatever I stain them in, I'm going to stain the bunk bed in so it all matches, and then it's usable. I haven't got electrics, but I want to at least, I need to start doing the outside, looking at the brakes, etc. But that's it, June update. I'll try and get the painting video up ASAP.